ang DPWH months ago. Sabi, overpriced. Bunuan budget yan. Overpriced. Ibaba. Paulit-ulit. Sa hearing, sa technical working group, sa media. Even the president said the same thing. Our chair worked diligently with LBRMO, everyone, and DPWH. Binaba. Ayon sa kanilang inputs at methodology, binaba. Inapprove natin. Sa BICAM sabi, itaas. Kaya nga nagkaroon ng impasse for a while, pero nasolve natin sa CMPD. Thank you to the House for agreeing for a truthful, accurate budget. Salamat. Tapos DOTR. Yan, may letter. Internal realignment. Sige na. Tapos ang DA. Yung 8.9, hindi pala official transmission yan, hindi pala inapprove ng secretary, we approved it. What does it make of us? Mr. President, I'm sorry, I have to express my disappointment and exasperation. There has to be some discipline in government. Di ba sa eskwela tayo, pinag-aral tayo, finish or not finish, pass your paper. Pag nagraduhan na ng teacher, tama na, hindi pwedeng, magpalit, yung seatmate ko, mali. Ano tayo? How can we be a good example to people?